So that's a little sketchy. What's up, fellas? The wife asked me to do something for the garden. We've got a couple flowers that are growing as vines. So I saw this video by Matthew Peach, and I bought his plans. After I bought the plans, I was like, I can't believe I just spent, $6, $7 on this, but whatever. Supporting another dude. I've got some scrap 2x4s lying around. I know 2x4s are $5 right now. Today is, I think, September 5th. Cheers. Labor Day weekend. Alright, so that's a little sketchy. So I'm having a problem with my outfeed table, or lack thereof, outfeed table. So what I'm gonna do is improvise. That's it. Hopefully that works. So it looks like that worked. In Matt's video, he said that you can make this with one 2x4. That's not exactly accurate, because the 2x4 is 1.5 by 3.5, not 4 inches. That doesn't, take into the cut list or the statement of saying that you can make it out of one 2x4. Doesn't take into consideration the 1/8 inch curve of the blade on a standard table saw. So anyway, not a big deal. I have others, but just if you're going to make this, buy two 2x4s. Also, I should have cut these down to 6 foot. Those are 8 foot 2x4s. I should have cut them down to 6 foot. It would have been a little bit better to do that. A little bit more control on the table saw. So I don't know where the camera died once again, but anyway, I found some bolts to hold that together, and the trick is to make a jig for all this, right? So my jig, or the jig on the plans, you create just take a scrap piece of board and put screws in to hold the fans in place. And then it's a lot easier to screw the supports in. Real simple. Real simple. Not much this build or putting this together, really. mother. So I'm done here, and this is what we got. Not bad. The only screw up is right here, but it's easy to replace this because nothing is glued together. But hey, it took me about 40 minutes or so, and I had everything organized. Probably could cut that down by about 10 minutes, so about a half hour to make one of these. Not bad, and it was fun. But making anything for yourself is fun anyway. Anyway, that about does it for this video. Thanks for watching.